In order to sign up, click on the Sign Up button at the upper left toolbar and enter your username, first in order to create an account. After you're done entering the username, move on to the next field where you'll need to enter your password. While creating a password, make sure your password is at least 8 characters long. After you're done, confirm the password by typing it again. Make sure that your password includes at least 1 capital and 1 lowercase letter, 1 special symbol, and 1 number so that your password can be strong and secure. Once you do that, move on to the next field and type in your first name and your last name on the next one, and finally enter your email address. Make sure to enter a valid email address, and if you want newsletters and marketing communication from Namecheap, then leave the box checked as it is. If not, then make sure to uncheck this box and click on Create an Account and continue, and there is your brand new Namecheap account. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.